Chia seeds, energy and nutrition. Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about one of nature's tiny yet mighty superfoods, chia seeds. These small seeds, originating from Central America, have been used for centuries by the Aztecs and Mayans for their incredible energy-boosting and nutritional properties. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds are packed with nutrients that support overall health and vitality. Let's begin with energy support. Chia seeds are a remarkable source of slow-release carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike quick sugar spikes that leave you feeling drained, chia seeds give your body a steady source of fuel. This makes them an excellent addition to your morning breakfast, smoothies, or pre-workout meals. Chia seeds are also rich in protein, making them an essential component of a balanced diet. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, hormone production, and overall cellular function. Including chia seeds in your meals ensures that your body receives a quality source of plant-based protein, supporting both energy and recovery. Another major benefit of chia seeds is their fiber content. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the stomach. This not only promotes a feeling of fullness, but also supports digestive health by regulating bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut is essential for energy production, nutrient absorption, and overall wellness. Chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3 salts are essential fats that support heart health, brain function, and inflammation reduction. Including chia seeds in your diet can help maintain cardiovascular health and cognitive function while also supporting joint mobility and reducing chronic inflammation. In addition, chia seeds contain a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, all of which are essential for strong bones, nerve function, and overall metabolic health. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and promote longevity. Practical use of chia seeds is incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies for an instant nutritional boost. Mix them into yogurt or oatmeal for a filling, energy-rich breakfast. Use them in baking as an egg substitute or for added texture. Make chia pudding a delicious and nutritious snack or dessert. Chia seeds are not only beneficial for physical energy, but also mental focus and stamina. Their combination of slow-release carbs, protein, and omega-3 salts helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports cognitive performance, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet for students, professionals, and athletes alike. It is important to consume chia seeds with sufficient water because of their high fiber content. When soaked, they absorb liquid and expand, which aids digestion and prevents discomfort. A general guideline is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with at least half a cup of water or other liquid before consumption. In conclusion, chia seeds are a tiny powerhouse with enormous benefits. They provide sustained energy, support digestive health, promote heart and brain function, and deliver essential nutrients for overall wellness. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine, you can experience increased vitality, better focus, and enhanced physical performance. Nature has provided us with these incredible seeds as a source of energy and nutrition. From their protein and fiber content to their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, chia seeds are a complete superfood that fits seamlessly into a modern, healthy lifestyle. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of chia seeds. Embrace this natural source of energy and nutrition, and let it support your body, mind, and overall well-being every day.